Take a deep breath, because what you're about to hear is the most terrifying chapter in Earth's history. 4.57 billion years ago, during the planet's violent infant stage, the Hadean Eon, the moon had just been born in a cataclysmic impact, and our young home was locked in a hell that lasted hundreds of millions of years. You can't imagine how insane it was, the entire planet covered in oceans of molten lava, where a single rainstorm could last millions of years. Inside, Earth was completely molten. Outside, it was under constant bombardment by high-speed impactors, generating even more heat. Volcanic eruptions tore apart the thin, scorching crust again and again. Geologists call this first 500 million years, from 4.57 to 4.0 billion years ago, the Hadean Eon. The early solar system was nothing like the calm, orderly one we know today. Countless asteroids and comets, many 1 to 10 kilometers across, wandered freely through space like ticking time bombs, slamming into the young Earth. Studies suggest that, during this period, once every 100 years there was an impact powerful enough to destroy an entire continent. Each collision unleashed colossal amounts of heat, massive earthquakes, shockwaves, and clouds of dust, making the surface even more hostile. Earth's surface was a boiling ocean of magma. And then, in the middle of this chaos, a comet made of pure ice came hurtling toward Earth at 64,000 kilometers per hour. It was like pouring water onto a raging inferno, but instead of cooling it, the collision made things even wilder. The comet's ice instantly vaporized into steam, blasting into the atmosphere and creating a breathtaking yet terrifying scene. From that moment, a rainstorm lasting millions of years began. But this wasn't like the rain we know today. These drops were acidic and extremely corrosive. Falling through dust clouds from asteroid impacts and toxic gases from volcanic eruptions, the rain turned into deadly acid showers. Because the surface was still scorching hot, the rain evaporated almost instantly, rising back into the atmosphere, repeating the cycle over and over. The only way to stop this rain was for the Earth to cool down. Geologists believe this acid rain lasted at least several million years, possibly up to 10 million, before finally cooling the planet enough for water to remain. Around 4.0 billion years ago, surface temperatures stabilized. Water began to collect in low-lying areas, forming the very first oceans. The birth of the oceans marked the end of the hellish Hadean Eon, and the beginning of a brand new chapter in Earth's story, the Archean Eon. If you enjoy this journey into Earth's most terrifying past, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because there's a lot more history waiting to blow your mind.